Staying hydrated efficiently and comfortably during outdoor adventures is crucial for maintaining energy and performance. The Hydropack Water Reservoir delivers reliable, high-performance hydration with a lightweight, low-profile design that fits most backpacks. It features shape-lock baffles to prevent sloshing, a soft, flexible handle for easy carrying, and a wide slide seal top for quick filling and leak-proof closure. The 3D bottom and side-mounted tube connection offers a streamlined fit, while its universal hanger is compatible with various clips and loops. The Comet Bite valve includes a magnet mount and thumb-activated shutoff to avoid leaks. Fully reversible, dishwasher safe, and BPA/PVC free. It ensures easy cleaning and safe hydration in 1.5 liter, 2 liter, or 3 liter options. Treating minor cuts and lacerations swiftly and safely is essential, especially when medical help isn't immediately available. The MyHelp emergency closure strips offer a quick and painless solution to close wounds without stitches. This stitchless butterfly bandage kit is easy to apply and remove, making it ideal for both adults and kids. Simply clean the area with an alcohol wipe, remove the liners, press the adhesive parts gently, pull the straps to close the wound, and apply the sterile pad for protection. The strips are designed to reduce scarring, offer firm skin adhesion, and ensure painless removal. Compact and effective, it's a reliable addition to any emergency or travel first aid kit. Creating fire in the wild is a fundamental survival skill that ensures warmth, cooking, and safety. Meet the Hours Furtive Fire Starter Survival Tool, your all-in-one solution for dependable firemaking in any outdoor condition. With a 3/8-inch thick ferrocerium rod, multi-tool striker, and natural fat wood tinder stick, it's ideal for camping, bushcraft, hiking, and emergencies. Its eco-friendly design features a natural wood handle and 100% recyclable packaging. No plastic, no waste. Built to last and easy to use. Just scrape off the coating, prepare your tinder, and spark your fire with confidence. Housed in a durable storage pouch, this compact tool is a must-have for every responsible adventurer. Reliable footwear is essential when exploring rugged terrains or facing unpredictable outdoor conditions. These Salo Boots are engineered for performance, combining durability, breathability, and multifunctionality. Featuring a rust-proof fastener and ankle strap steel ball fastener system, along with durable polyester shoelaces, these boots ensure a secure fit in any situation. The Cool Max cooling lining and interior vents provide moisture management and breathability, while a triangular closed tongue keeps dust and debris out. A lightweight rubber sole with 360-degree thread stitching offers maximum grip and stability, and coats stitching enhances durability. With external attachments for tools and gear, these boots are ideal for camping, cycling, travel, hunting, commuting, and outdoor adventures. Staying clean, dry, and comfortable during outdoor activities is essential for health and enjoyment. Introducing the 4 Monster Camping Towel, a super absorbent, quick-drying microfiber towel designed for backpacking, hiking, gym, beach, and travel. Made from 100% polyester with a silk touch finish, it offers unmatched softness and is ideal for sensitive skin. Its lightweight and ultra-compact design comes with a portable EVA travel case, making it cooler and more practical than ordinary bags. Naturally dyed with odor-resistant, fade-proof fabric, it's durable, clean, and ready for reuse in no time. Whether wiping off sweat or drying off after a swim, this towel combines efficiency, comfort, and style in one travel essential.